Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel as always. I appreciate all the support and love you guys give to me and show me here on YouTube and over on Instagram. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to push out some good content. I hope you guys are enjoying it. But anyway, I got a special package in the mail today, and I wanted to open it with you guys. And it's my monthly Alpha Outpost, but only this, I think they sent out just to send out, and that's really cool of them. I don't know the name of the box. It doesn't say it on the outside, but we're gonna find out together. Got my handy dandy knife. Let's crack this sucker open. Maybe. There we go. All right. And as always, you guys are going to see it firsthand like me. Whoa, holy cow. And it looks like we got some high-vis stuff in here. Let me see what the name of the box is real quick. It's called Marooned. It's called the Marooned box. And I see a C in the picture, so it has to do with water. So let's dive right into this sucker. I'm gonna go ahead and just grab this because it's loose. We have a portable emergency strobe light. And you can never have too many flashlights. Crack this open for you guys real quick. And I don't know if it's got batteries in it, but I'm assuming it blinks too. But as your emergency strobe light, and I'm assuming it floats as well, so that's always nice to have in an emergency. Always a good thing to have if you're stuck somewhere, trapped somewhere. Of course, the marooned, meaning that. Next on the list, let's see, we got a 3W diving flashlight. If you are a diver, you'll enjoy that. Let's see, 100 meters waterproof, 3 watt LED. It takes 4 AA batteries. So let's check that out real quick. I always enjoy opening these for you guys. It's really awesome. Yeah, and that's a pretty nice light, actually. That's a really nice. It's almost like my stream light I have for the fire department. And the stream light, I can tell you, are really, really expensive lights. And this being a dive light, I'm sure it's pretty bright. I don't know if you can see the Cree in that. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Alright, and what is this? Alright, we got a bag with something in it. Let's check her out. I think I might know what this is, but I might be wrong. And no. This is a, you can put your stuff in here. It's a waterproof bag. I don't know if I'm back far enough, but it's a waterproof bag. You put all your stuff in, and what you do is you fold the top of it up, and it's got a clip system. You just buckle it in. Plus, some of you guys know this, but if you don't have anything and you just got the bag, you can actually trap air in this and use it as a life preserver. So that's always good to know. So very, very awesome. And it's got the name of the box on the front of it right there, or on the back rather. That's awesome. I really like that. Alright, we got some little things in here. Of course, you always get your Alpha Outpost morale patch type patch. That's a tongue twister. You get, looks like a nice whistle. Always good to have a whistle when you're trapped somewhere or stuck somewhere. This is a floating keychain. Very cool. I don't know if you guys own boats, but sometimes you can find those little bobber type looking things that put your boat key on. And this, what is this? This is a sun reflector. That's pretty cool. If you're stranded on an island and the sun's out, you can direct the sun through this hole, or actually you look through this hole up at the sun and you pretty much can tell. I haven't really been a big survivalist per se, but some of this stuff is really, really cool. So that'd be awesome to have as well. And as always, I'll go over this real quick with you guys. This is basically what you get in the box. It briefly tells you what each item means or what it's for. And of course you see the flashlights, the strobe lights. And if you guys are interested, I always let you guys know as well. If you're interested and you want to try it, the first box is $5. And if you receive your box and if you like it, and you will, I gotta throw that in there. Anything after there and after, anything after that, any box you purchase is going to be $39.95 plus shipping and handling. So for $40, you get a whole lot of good stuff. Guys, this stuff ain't junk. It ain't toys by all means. You can really use this stuff in a survival situation or out in the woods, out in the bush, whatever you guys want to call it. A lot of good stuff comes in these boxes. So I want to say thank you to Alpha Outpost. I appreciate everything. It's been an awesome ride with you guys. And I look forward, as always, to future boxes. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, everything will be in the links below if you guys want to check it out. Until the next unboxing, guys, take care. Peace.